DJI is gearing up for another groundbreaking year, and the 2025 drone lineup could change the game forever. From next-level cameras to smarter flight technology, DJI is once again pushing boundaries in ways that excite both hobbyists and professionals. But the real question is, are these drones truly revolutionary, or just incremental upgrades dressed up in hype? Today on GadgetVerse, we'll dive deep into DJI's 2025 releases and explore how they stack up against expectations. DJI Air 4. The DJI Air 4 picks up where the Air 3 left off, offering portability without sacrificing power. This drone is perfect for creators who want professional-level features in a compact body. With a boosted 46-minute flight time, faster charging, and a dual camera system that captures sharp 48MP stills and cinematic 4K footage, the Air 4 is built to bridge the gap between DJI's Air and Mavic series. Low-light performance is significantly improved, giving you beautiful dusk and dawn shots with vibrant color accuracy. DJI Mini 5 Pro. For those who love flying under 250 grams, the DJI Mini 5 Pro sets a whole new standard. Its larger sensor brings richer details, a wider dynamic range, and much better low-light results. You get cinematic flexibility with aperture control, HDR video, and professional-grade stills, all packed into a drone you can literally fit in your pocket. The Mini 5 Pro proves that small doesn't mean less powerful. It means more freedom. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Now let's talk about the heavyweight, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This drone is designed for filmmakers, surveyors, and content creators who need the best of the best. It carries DJI's iconic foldable design, now more durable, weather-resistant, and quieter in flight. The real showstopper? An 8K camera system with enhanced stabilization, making it one of the most powerful aerial imaging tools on the market. If you're serious about professional drone work, the Mavic 4 Pro is set to dominate 2025 DJI Neo 2. On the other end of the spectrum, the DJI Neo 2 keeps things fun and casual while still delivering impressive performance. With its palm-sized design, upgraded 4K camera, and smart obstacle detection, the Neo 2 is perfect for vloggers, travelers, and creators on the go. It's stylish, portable, and built for easy flying without compromising on image quality. DJI Avata 3 FPV fans, you're going to love this one, the DJI Avata 3. It's all about immersive flying and cinematic FPV footage. With a sleeker aerodynamic design, enhanced safety, and a wide-angle camera capable of delivering buttery smooth visuals, the Avata 3 makes every flight an experience. Whether you're a pro or just getting into FPV, this drone is designed to make you feel like you're truly inside the cockpit. DJI FPV-2. And finally, the DJI FPV-2. Built for both speed and cinematic performance, this drone is a thrill seeker's dream. With ultra-clear video, low-latency transmission, and responsive controls, it balances racing excitement with cinematic creativity. Add customizable flight modes and immersive FPV goggles, and you've got an adrenaline-packed drone that's as fun to fly as it is to film with. Outro so. Whether you're looking for portability, professional power, or the thrill of FPV flying, DJI's 2025 lineup has something for everyone. Which drone are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to GadgetVerse, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and drone updates. Until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep flying high with GadgetVerse.